Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of home accessories with a spotlight on the best in pink house accessories available on the market. Whether you're looking to add a touch of elegance or a pop of color to your living space, this product promises to deliver. Let's explore why it stands out from the rest. First off, let's talk aesthetics. This accessory isn't just about functionality, it's a statement piece. Crafted with attention to detail, its sleek design and vibrant pink hue instantly elevate any room. Whether you're decorating a bedroom, living room, or even a home office, this accessory seamlessly blends in while adding a delightful splash of color. Now, onto its practicality. Beyond its visual appeal, this accessory is built for versatility. From enhancing organization to providing a stylish storage solution, it ticks all the boxes. Its sturdy build ensures durability, while its thoughtful design maximizes utility without compromising on style. Imagine this. Whether you're arranging your favorite books, displaying cherished decor pieces, or simply keeping essentials neatly tucked away, this accessory effortlessly adapts to your needs. It's not just about functionality, it's about creating a harmonious balance between utility and aesthetics. So, why should you choose this particular pink house accessory? Simply put, it's the epitome of form-meeting function. Unlike other options out there, it's been designed with both style and substance in mind. Its glowing reviews and high ratings reflect its ability to exceed expectations, making it a favorite among interior enthusiasts. In conclusion, whether you're redecorating your space or searching for that perfect gift, this pink house accessory deserves a spot on your shopping list. It's more than just an addition to your home, it's a testament to your unique style and taste. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful reviews. Until next time, happy decorating!